Let us understand the damages of smoking on lungs as well as rest of the body. How smoking can mess with our longevity and our morbidity. Hi, I'm Dr. Tapasvi Krishna, transplant pulmonologist at Yashoda Hospitals, Somajiguda. Smoking. It is quintessential for a COPD patient to be having smoking history, apart from having exposure to cooking gas. So smoking is a habit which abroad we are seeing some patients are continuing even after a lung transplantation. So the habits of smoking is so bad and so addictive that in spite of a lung transplant, 20% of patients are going back to the stick. So what happens because of smoking? The first disease which comes to a pulmonologist's mind is chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Apart from that, lung cancer. The leading reason for lung cancer, there is a parallel association with smoking in patients. Apart from that, oral cancer, bladder cancer, as well as coronary artery disease and stroke can happen because of smoking. So all of us should remember the ill effects of smoking when you feel that you are unable to quit. Quitting is very difficult because food and smoking are two things which are highly addictive. Food because of the glucose, smoking because of the nicotine. So once we understand that nicotine is the substance which is causing that craving for the next smoke or craving for the next stick, we will try and avoid the addictive urge to go back to the smoke. So if you are unable to stop smoking, please consult your pulmonologist and your psychiatrist to try and understand how you can avoid the next smoke. Smoking also causes what is called as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease as well as lung fibrosis in some patients. So smoking has to be avoided, especially in teenage years, so that you won't have long-term effects once you're 50 or 60. If you're a parent and your children are watching you smoke, another risk factor of smoking is pushing your child towards smoking. So parental smoking is a big risk factor for teenagers starting to smoke. We have seen in our outpatient clinics, children as young as 12 to 13 years from well-educated families, good backgrounds, coming with smoking history. And obviously the parents think it is probably asthma. So please be worried, your smoking could push your child into smoking and think that is okay. So it's not your health alone which you are affecting by smoking, it's your child's and your spouse's life which is getting affected because of smoking. So since you understand the bad effects of smoking, please avoid, try to quit. For quitting smoking, there is a tip which you can follow. Once you decide on quitting smoking, please find a quit buddy, what we call as quit buddy. That can be somebody in your family or in your friend group whom you can request to be your quit buddy, so that whenever you feel like smoking, whenever the urge is uncontrollable to light up a stick, that is when you call your quit buddy and tell them, this is what I'm feeling, I want to smoke. So quit buddy helps you fight the urge and not smoke, because he or she will remind you the ill effects of smoking and go back, take you back to square one where you have started quitting. So smoking, I would say, is a habit which affects not only the lungs, it affects the rest of the organs in the body, the heart, the kidneys, the bladder, as well as the brain. So please be very careful. If you people have not started smoking yet, don't start. If any of you is smoking, try and quit as soon as possible. Thank you.
If you found this video useful, like, comment, and subscribe for more health updates.